Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you this refreshing juice. It's very amazing and it tastes really good. If you want to know how I make it, let's dive into it. Welcome to Olayemi. Okay, I make different fresh recipes. So I'll be using fresh grapes. These grapes are seedless and they taste amazing. There's so many benefits of grapes. So I'll be using a juicer to make this recipe. Feel free to use blender if that is what you have available, but this recipe is very simple and it is refreshing. Try it and do not forget to share this recipe. So I'm going to add my washed grapes into my juicer, then I will start preparing. There are just 3 ingredients for this recipe, and this drink tastes really amazing, and you are going to enjoy. A glass of it will make you feel wow. And the recipe, do not forget to share. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section once you try this recipe. After extracting my grapes, I'm going to show you my other recipe. I will use cucumber for this recipe and lime for this recipe as well. You can also use lemon, whichever one sounds good. So I'm going to add my cut cucumber into my juicer. Then we start juicing our cucumber and our lime. If you have questions about my recipe, please do not forget to leave it in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching this video from so I can give you a lovely hug. And please remember to like our video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get updated of my fresh juice and my drinks. All my recipe comes weekly. Why don't you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get updated? As I said, we are trying to juice for weight loss. This current videos this week, I'm going to be uploading more of juice. So we have finished juicing our grapes and our cucumber. So this is the outcome. I'm going to serve it in a glass cup to enjoy. Please remember to like this video and please do not forget to share this video. Thanks for watching. Happy juicing. See you in my next recipe.